Assalamu alaikum ji. I've been involved with the Medicare hospital for the last few years, and I've seen Medicare hospital grow tremendously over these years. यहाँ की facilities dialysis की, intensive care की, जिसे हम CCU कहते हैं, have been brought up to par with international standards. और ये फैसिलिटीज़ एक प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल में मौजूद होने का मतलब ये है कि ये तमाम तर मुख्तलिफ़ अमराज़ के मरीज़ों को केटर कर सकते हैं। Over the years, we have seen Medicare grow not only in terms of volumes, in terms of patients, number of patients, but also the diversity of services that are provided here at Medicare. हमारे ICU में या CCU में ना सिर्फ ये कि हार्ट के मरीज़ों की देखभाल होती है, बल्कि गुर्दे से मुताल्लिक़, इन्फेक्शन से मुताल्लिक़ और दीगर सर्जिकल अमराज के मरीज़ों की भी देखभाल होती है। हमारे पास इन्वेजिव और नॉन इन्वेजिव मॉनिटरिंग, वेंटिलेटर, डायलिसिस, ये तमाम तर सहूलियात हमारे ICU में मौजूद हैं। इसके अलावा जो दूसरी स्पेशलिटीज़ हैं, मसलन ये कि इन्फेक्शियस डिज़ीज़ या लिवर की स्पेशलिटी से रिलेटेड, लंग्स की स्पेशलिटी से रिलेटेड तमाम हर किस्म की स्पेशलिटीज़ के कंसल्टेंट्स भी मौजूद हैं जो मरीज़ों को देखते हैं और उनका ख्याल करते हैं। So overall, I think Medicare is becoming a very looked up institute, और ये it is present in the heart of the city, और इसमें जो फैसिलिटीज़ मौजूद हैं उसकी वजह से ये बहुत पॉपुलर हो रहा है और शहर भर से, बल्कि शहर के बाहर से भी रेफरल्स हमको अब मेडिकेयर में आने शुरू हो गए हैं। सो आई लुक फॉरवर्ड टू फर्दर ग्रोथ ऑफ मेडिकेयर। यहाँ की लीडरशिप, दे आर वेरी geared towards providing new facilities, providing new treatments, और over the years ये आगे भी मज़ीद ग्रो करता रहेगा।
My name is Dr. Kalimullah Sheikh. I am working as an interventional cardiologist in Medicare Cardiac and General Hospital. Since Medicare started its cardiac activities in 2015, I have been joined with this institution. And Medicare Cardiac and General Hospital is very well equipped. The facilities that has been provided in this hospital is not only inpatient but also outpatient department. There is a 24-hour emergency services, and I have also started primary PCI program here. 24 hours, 2 well equipped cath labs are available, which provide all the services including angiographies, angioplasties, permanent pacemaker, temporary pacemaker implantations, and all the related procedures that has been done in cath lab. The Medicare hospital is also very well equipped with a non-invasive department where we are performing echocardiography, exercise tolerance test, stress echos, transesophageal echos, and 24-hour Holter monitoring and 24-hour ambulatory blood pressure monitoring. Along with the cardiac department, we also provide 24-hour emergency as well as elective cardiac surgeries, and all type of surgeries has been performed successfully in this institution. Either it is in cardiac, coronary artery bypass grafting, or valvular surgery has been done successfully. The environment in this hospital is very pleasant to the operators that are working in this institution, but the more important thing is that it's a very excellent environment for the patients. Our patient has been satisfied a lot because our motto is to provide a care with love, affection that we want to provide to our own family members.
We are a ISO certified hospital and maintain high standards of quality patient care. All facilities are available under one roof. We have a fully equipped critical care unit, neonatal intensive care unit, operation theatres and emergency with 24 hours specialized doctors and nursing care. All diagnostic facilities are available. like radiology, MRI, CT scan, laboratory and blood bank.